Midwest Stars, a song I wrote about my wife when we met. Then you came. I caught my lucky break when you said that you'd be mine. I tried to recount the magic of that night when I proposed to her. It's a funny feeling when someone tells you they're gonna be yours forever. You said I could have your heart, the Midwest sky, where the skies went dark. Lyrically, when someone tells you they're gonna be yours forever till the end of time, it kind of hits you, and I wanted to recapture that moment. Stars lighting up our hearts on that summer night. If you're lucky enough to be with the love of your life, you should cherish that and hold on to that, especially in these times that we're living in. Stars in your eyes. This song gives me hope, inspiration, and I want that for other people too. In your eyes, in your eyes. I'm really looking forward to Midwest Stars getting out there and for people to feel that human connection, because for me that's what it's all about. When the windows to your soul sparkled like Midwest, stars in your eyes the night you said yes.